Béchamel is a basic white sauce made by whisking milk into a roux made of flour and butter. If you're looking for some ideas to use up leftovers, then try making macaroni cheese. You only need to stir grated cheese into the sauce and add cooked macaroni before baking. Fish pie is the perfect comfort food during winter. It's a mix of creamy white sauce with fish and vegetables, topped with mashed potato. Moussaka layers rich tomato meat sauce between layers of eggplant before topping with béchamel. It's a delicious combination of creamy sauce and meat. If you've got leftover white sauce and want to add more flavor, then Mornay sauce is a quick and easy option. A handful of grated cheese like Gruyere melted into the sauce is all you need to create a lovely sauce for pouring over vegetables or fish. Soufflés are light, fluffy, and delicious. Béchamel sauce is combined with cheese and whipped egg whites to create an airy appetizer that is usually served in a ramekin. A final use for béchamel sauce is lasagna. Layers of meat in tomato sauce are combined with layers of white sauce and pasta sheets.